Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 136 Courtshire Lane in Penfield.
This is a picture-perfect townhome with a premier location.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour. Enjoy mint-condition open living with a spacious white and bright kitchen. With gorgeous cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and maintenance-free flooring. Open to the expansive dining area and living area with great natural light and deck access. The first floor also features a powder room and a spacious foyer leading to a partially finished lower level and a wood banister leading to the upstairs.
The upstairs features a beautiful full bathroom and 2 spacious bedrooms with nature views.
Relax and enjoy this premier lot with a spacious deck overlooking the peaceful woods.
Enjoy the convenience of a maintenance-free lifestyle with a premier location, minutes to everything Penfield has to offer, with great restaurants and shops, plus Wegmans, all with easy access to the village of Fairport and Route 490 to Rochester or the Finger Lakes region. It's all about the location.
Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 136 Courtshire Lane in Penfield.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!